Is a quick demonstration of a 1, 2 and 3 point light setup. So in terms of the light setup, our key light is a Forza 500 and I'll turn that off now. We also have a hair light, which is a PavoTub directly above our subject, and then behind us we have a Forza 60 with a Fresnel and barn doors as the kicker. So what I would like to do first is turn on the key light. Now we adjust the intensity. Obviously we don't want to blow out, so we probably want to be around here. Once we're happy with our key, we can add a secondary. My advice would always be a kicker, because we don't want to rely on the lens's aperture to separate our subject from the background. We want to use light to do that because we're shooting at f3.2. And the higher you go up in your f-stops, ideally you want to be using more light to create this separation. So then we're going to add in the Forza 60, and you can see just over on the left of our subject, on the subject's right, you start to see this white glisten, and that's that kicker just helping separate the subject from the background. What I've done is set up a PavoTub just above as a hair light, and that just comes down, is kind of a secondary kicker as well on the other hand, on the other side. If I want any of these to be amplified, obviously I can turn down the key light, and you start to see the other two lights working. If I bring the key light back up, you can see how they all come together closely. So I'm going to show you them all one by one now. So first of all, key light, second, kicker, third, hair light. And of course you can do this shot with just one of these lights, ideally the key, or you can do it with two lights. So this is just the kicker and the key, but to create this scene we wanted to work 3 lights together. So hopefully that helps and gives you an idea of how a 3-point light setup works, and you can do this in any space whilst you're locked up. Take care, bye bye.